Hello and welcome to Mr. Tompkins EdTech. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this great value new mic kit from Uhuru. So if you are a budding YouTuber or podcaster on a tight budget and are looking to upgrade the quality of your sound recordings, then keep watching. I'm a firm believer that anyone can start YouTubing with the kit they already have lying around the house. Most phones these days have a perfectly adequate camera for recording videos, or you can make use of the webcam on your laptop, or even just screen capture software. Just start creating, get something recorded and upload it. Don't worry if it's not super professional. My first few videos back in the day were recorded this way and they still managed to do reasonably well. But as you make more and more videos, you will start honing your composition and editing skills and begin to look for ways to improve the overall quality of your work. Personally, I think the number one thing you want to spend a little bit more money on is getting yourself a decent mic. Viewers will sit through ropey video quality if the content is interesting enough, but rubbish sound is just a massive turn off. Here's a clip from one of my first videos from back in the day.
So here we have a typical exam question. It concerns itself with the number of items.
Excruciating. The comments below the video are full of complaints about the sound quality, and quite rightly so. So the first mech I bought was this blue snowball ice. I'm actually using it right now. It had quite a few good reviews from lots of small YouTubers, and you can hear from the sound quality that I'm recording now that it's pretty good. It cost me around £50 and I like it quite a lot, but it does come with a rather crappy stand, which I think will soon snap off if I'm not careful. And I know I can only sit it down exactly in front of me on the tabletop, which sometimes really gets in the way of what I'm doing. Really, I need to get a pop shield for it as well, or a muffler or something, because I often breathe heavily onto it, which I find distracting when I'm listening to my own videos. Now let's take a look at what you get in this mic kit from Uhuru. I bought this on Amazon for £56, so comparable in price to the Snowball Ice. Really good quality packaging and branding. All the various components have their own cutouts, so you could easily pack it away and use the box for storage again after you'd used it. Wow, it's got everything I need already in this box. You get a great quality mic with built-in cardioid condenser, which is going to make a massive reduction in all that annoying background noise you get. Good quality build and great finish. Looks professional and not cheap or tacky at all. But you also get all this other great kit straight out of the box. We've got a boom arm that attaches to the desk. We've got a windshield muffler, a pop filter. We've even got a shock mount. So for the same price as the basic Snowball, you get all this professional setup, perfect for podcasting or YouTubing. It's USB, so it's going to hook up to your laptop, PC, MacBook. It's even going to go into a games console like the PS4. So far I've been recording with the Snowball, but now we've unboxed it, let's test the sound quality of this Uhuru mic and see what the difference is. So, testing, 1, 2, 3. Me, t, yeah. I don't really know. Blah! Ah! I think that will do, won't it? So I've now got the Uhuru mic kit all set up on its boom arm. I've chosen to attach the pop shield rather than the muffler because I'm indoors. So I'm really pleased with it. Really, it's the boom arm allows me to reposition the mic just where I want it to be, and to my ears I don't really hear much difference in sound quality between this one and my other mic. I think it's equally as good. The cardioid pattern is keeping the background noise to a minimum, and it's delivering a really nice crisp sound. Really happy with it. So if you're starting out with YouTube and you feel like you want to invest a little to improve the quality of what you do, then I highly recommend this mic kit from Uhuru. It will give you a really versatile professional setup straight out of the box for a bargain entry-level price. I give it 5 stars for all-round value for money. There's an affiliate link in the description below that will take you directly to the right Amazon page, or you can find it listed on my Amazon influencers page. Links below. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful videos for small YouTubers. See you again next time.